Welcome back, Jay. He is fresh from his lunch and other breaks, etc., etc., which we will not reveal on the commentary box here.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, include him in the commentary. Give him one mic.
Here.
Let him speak. Jay, let him speak. Turn this way.
They're bowling amazing. I've heard. What a good ball. Amazing flight. Amazing bowling. That's what the Jaguars need. No wicket yet, which is surprising because the Jaguars are on-point bowlers. What do you think, Owen?
Is this working?
Great bowling from Rudra, almost a wicket there. Much needed, don't you think, Shri?
Hey, Jay.
He said it's
What?
fine.
He's saying he doesn't want to.
Talk. Just talk. Share your experience. Share
Yeah,
your
bro.
UK experience.
Say.
No.
So we have a
No,
man
ask-
here from the UK
Ask him
himself.
questions, so he will answer.
Shot! Oh!
Another
misfielded.
drop by Crochet. How much drops have there been today?
So we have a man here from the UK himself. We have Owen, last name? Shukins. Owen Shukins. How was your experience playing in UK Finland?
Good.
Can you describe it more?
It was hard. The boundaries were short, and the players in England were less experienced.
So I feel like this is the first time you're playing with Indians, right? How do you feel? Hey.
It's good.
You've never had this atmosphere before, right? Where we're drinking chai, eating chicken. That's what Indians are like. Yeah, good shots, right? Don't you think, Owen? Great bowling. Great batting and great bowling from both teams. So, what do you think of the Austin cricket here?
It's good. It's different than England.
Yeah, you've never played on a cement pitch before, right? How does this feel?
I haven't gone on the field yet.
You feel like it'll be different.
I'll see when I go on.
Yeah.
The bounce is crazy around the
Yeah, so
pitch.
and everything is like normal here. And turf sometimes it doesn't bounce, right?
Bowling boy!
I mean, in England, we had a pitch and it was just rock.
So here it'll be different. So, are you a bowling roll or batting roll today, Owen?
I normally bounce. I mean,
Yeah, since you're not batted yet, I can infer that you're bowling today.
I'm both.
So you're an all-rounder.
Oh, misfield by
Yeah.
Kirtan Thandu.
So, how do you feel like playing against your brother